Hey everyone, welcome to the Foodback channel. Today, we are going to learn about the use of it and there in a sentence, or sometimes we call it expletive. Now let's begin. A sentence or clause may begin with the words with it and there. Using it sometimes related to weather, situation, time, distance, and identification. For weather, for example, it is absolutely boiling today, isn't it? For situation, in some cases, it is difficult to decide if lifebuoy is only for a boy or for everyone. For time, it is 7 o'clock now, I have to go. For distance, it is 30 kilometers far away from here. For identification, it was Mr. Ahmad who was elected as a mayor in Makassar. Dalam penulisan, it biasanya digunakan dalam 3 cara. Pola yang pertama, it, to be, adverbial, that. For example, it was in 2018 that she betrayed me suddenly. Pola kedua, it, to be, adjective to infinitive. For example, it is important to be free now. Dan pola yang terakhir adalah it, take, time phrase, infinitive. For example, it took her a few years to forget me instantly. Can I go where you go? Or, it took me a long time to find my perfect partner. The second one, using there. There shows that something or someone exists at a special time or place. Penggunaan there itu tergantung dari subjek. For example, there is, there was, there has ketika subjek yang dipakai singular. For example, there is no air in the city, there was a big storm, and there has been a hot topic in the city. Selain itu, penggunaan there untuk plural kita menggunakan there are, there were, there have ketika subjeknya lebih dari satu. For example, there are many skyscrapers in the city. There were good movies last night, and there have been many theories in this journal. If you understand my explanation, please pause this video and let's practice. Jika teman-teman sudah tahu jawabannya, please put your answer in the comment below and don't forget to share this video with your friend and give it thumb up if you like it. We can make it more videos if you support us. Thank you for watching. Bye.